Good. Very nice and convenient for Bumrungrad Hospital and public transportation. Nice staff, clean rooms and good price in a great location. Asia Inn is great. Should I comment when you did not publish my very bad review of Yangon, Myanmar stay recently? Nice. Staff, location everything great but rooms have problems, could be air/con, safe, window, lights, door etc. I stay for 20 days. Staff change my room early next day when air/con stop, some strange night noises and bed can shake at night. 7-Eleven next door good, beer is expensive in area. I love Bangkok and its food and ambience as well as shopping places. And whenever I go there, my place to rest is Asia Inn. Wouldn't think of anywhere else. Great staff, great location. The air conditioning in some of the rooms could use some service. The first room I was in the AC was loud, but staff were happy to change rooms. This is my second visit to this hotel. Very good. This is not my first stay at this hotel. I am getting to know the staff. A simple hotel but with all amenities. A small soundproofing of the rooms, it would be necessary to put an insulating material on the communicating doors. If you like watching TV, a wide selection of international channels. A water problem in the bathrooms. But this is a no-frills, budget hotel. The price is right on for the accommodations. It's a step up from camping, and quieter than a hostel, but the room and facilities are old. The only thing that stands out is the friendly staff, they're pretty great. I would recommend this place to anyone who doesn't care about aesthetics or who is comfortable with the basics. Very good budget hotel. Everything was good and perfect. I'm starting to get used in this little hotel. I am now entitled for a room with a new television screen. A pleasure to have access to many TV channels. But Asia Inn Bangkok should reduce the connecting rooms. The privacy of the clientele would be more respected. I booked only 2 days at this hotel because of the number of very negative reviews, but once I got here I extended 2 weeks. People are out of their mind by giving this place such a low score. The rooms are clean, the internet is very fast, the beds are very comfortable, the AC blows cold, there is a proper bathtub in the bathroom so there isn't water all over the floor, you can't hear the neighbors through the wall, and there is a 7-Eleven directly next door. I have used the Asia Inn for over 18 years since its original days as the ST1 Lodge. Since IT has been taken over by the new owners, things have improved if not radically, then regularly over the last few years. The rooms have been redecorated, bedding improved, flooring moved on from slightly soiled carpets to wood effect flooring and, probably most importantly as far as I am concerned, smoking, plus any signs of that abhorrent habit have been barred from. I have stayed there many times, I like the staff and it easygoing, the stay was good.